Welcome back to Learn JavaScript on Codecademy. We're in the Advanced Objects section. This is Destructured Assignment. We often want to extract key value pairs from objects and save them as variables. Take, for example, the following object. We have const vampire is assigned this object with a name, residence, preferences, which is also a nested object. If we wanted to extract the residence property as a variable, we could use the following code. We would say const residence is assigned vampire.residence. When we log residence, it prints Transylvania. However, we can also take advantage of a destructuring technique called Destructured Assignment to save ourselves some keystrokes. In Destructured Assignment, we create a variable with the name of an object's key that is wrapped in curly braces and assign to it the object. Take a look at the example below. We have const residence is assigned vampire. If we log residence, it prints Transylvania. Look back at the vampire's object properties in the first code example. Then in the example above, we declare a new variable, residence, that extracts the value of the residence property of vampire. When we log the value of residence to the console, Transylvania is printed. We can even use destructured assignment to grab nested properties of an object. Here we have const day is assigned vampire.preferences. When we log day, it does print stay inside, and we are able to access that nested object just by using dot notation. Once we're inside of preferences, then we're just selecting day from within there. Our instructions say use destructured assignment to create a const variable named functionality that extracts the functionality property of robot. If you need a reminder on how to use destructured assignment, review the example in the narrative or check the hint. Let's do that now. So that should go into robot, grab functionality, and it should create that variable. Let's run it. We do pass. 2 says, since functionality is referencing robot.functionality, we can call the methods available to robot.functionality simply through functionality. Take advantage of this shortcut and call the .beep method on functionality. Let's do it here. Run it. We do pass, and it does log beep boop. So what we're learning here, again, is destructured assignment, and it allows us to extract key value pair from objects and save them as variables in an easier way than we've learned in the past, which is exemplified here. We are switching over to this destructuring example, and we're able to create our variable the same way but using less code. That's the key takeaway of destructured assignment. As long as you're getting that, you guys are getting this lesson, and I'll see you in the next one.